Tick-Tock. Feel the rhythm of discipline. Imagine your life as a master-crafted timepiece, each day as a tiny, precise cog driven by discipline. Like a watchmaker, align your actions and intentions with steadfast precision. So, imagine every morning as a chance to reset, to wind up your internal gears, and let them guide you. Each tick represents a choice, a movement closer to your dreams. However, without discipline, time slips like sand. Instead, let your disciplined actions synchronize your goals, turning day by day towards a vibrant future. Here's the twist. With unrivaled discipline, you become the watchmaker of your destiny, capable of creating impeccable, timeless masterpieces. Your future awaits, aligned and purposeful.